Throw your dreams into space like a kite, and you do not know what it will bring back. A new life, a new friend, a new love, a new country. When the sun is shining, I can do anything. No mountain is too high, no trouble too difficult to overcome. Let us remember one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. The most authentic thing about us is our capacity to create, to overcome, to endure, to transform, to love, and to be greater than our suffering. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. I am not afraid of tomorrow, for I have seen yesterday, and I love today. Everything you want is out there waiting for you to ask. Everything you want also wants you, but you have to take action to get it.